everyone, and welcome back. It's Jessie. I have been gone for a long time, but that's okay because we're back with my 12th snack crate. I've had it for a year. This is awesome. This one says, "How's it?" I'm literally not making that up. So we're just gonna hop right into it, and it's from South Africa. Oh, this is weird. Okay. You see, I liked before when it had like the cards. This is not. This is weird. So we got upside down. Have this. Like the fact card is not a card. It's really like weird. Snack Crate needs to change this back because I don't like this. I don't like the design of this at all. But it's cool that I got it from South Africa. Nevertheless, do not eat this. And then we have our information card right here to make. Malva pudding. I mean, that right there looks like French toast with ice cream on it. Maybe that's what it is. I have no idea. So let's hop right into it. This is what's in the box. Let's get organized here. I'm just gonna dump everything out. Screw it. Shit. We went from like an 80-90 humidity week to like 45 today, and I actually broke down, turned the heat on, I put away all my cute stuff, and now I am just sitting in the house to do a snack crate because I had them piling up, and I'm like, I don't know when these expire, but I don't want to be paying like $32 a month for something that expires because that is just stupid. All right, so, there's actually not a lot in here, but that is okay. We're still gonna have fun anyways. So we have Simba Mexican chili flavored potato chips. These are the Lay's equivalent in South Africa. They're like only up to here. They fill half the freaking bags up, just like Lay's here. Not bad. My dog keeps staring at me. Oh, I'm all the way zoomed out. All right, cool. I remember to plug my phone in. Oh, God. Whew! They got like an unexpected kick to them. Oh, duh. And I read the information card. Spicy, delicious dust of chili cheese powder. Wow. I'll like sneak up on you. Oh, God, that burns. I actually remembered water. Oh, God. These are good. And then we have Stony Ginger Beer. That's pretty gnarly. South African favorite. Soda is like a slightly more gingery ginger ale. All right, but not as quite intense as a traditional ginger beer. All right. I love Moscow Mules, and they have ginger beer in it. Oh, I love that. Oh, it's really gingery. Whew. That ran right up in my mouth. The old factory buds are going nuts. Can you see my dog? There's actually a glare, so I'm going to take these off. I just rolled on bed and said, I'm going to do a snack crate today. Old factory is really... Woo! All right. So now we have Bakers Eat Some More. Oh, haha, that's creative. Popular ever since 1940, these delicious shortbread cookies will surely leave you with the desire of eat some more. I like to eat some more all the time, all day. And you will get something, I swear. Here. Timber, come say hi. Here, come say hi to everybody. Hi. This is Timber. He's my baby. He is a 25-pound mini French Bulldog. And this is my child right now. Mwah. You'll get your snack here in a minute, okay? You can have a biscuit. And then he'll want to eat some more. Oh, wow. Oh, this is a big biscuit. Do they have, oh, no, they don't. Here's what it looks like. It's really buttery. If I was a coffee drinker, this would pair very well with, like, coffee. Oh. Eat it. I'm gonna forget I gave him that. So sit down over there. Then I'm gonna be laying in crumbs. Save those for later. Oh, kind of get stuck in your teeth. Oh, we got caramel. Oh, I love me some caramel, y'all. Oops, shit. Here you go. A nosh nougat. This is like dense. You could knock somebody out with this. Nougat bar is made with real hazelnuts and creamy caramel, all coated in smooth milk chocolate. This is big. Like a Snickers bar. It is pouring rain today. Awesome. Yeah, it's cold, like I said before. I got my first pedicure last night. It was awesome. When they were like grinding like my feet, I was trying so hard not to laugh. I was like, my feet are so ticklish. I can't do this. It was good. Save that for later too. Really getting stuck in your teeth though. Get organized here. What is this? So that's on this side. Here's this. Here's that. I feel like there's not as much in the snack crate this month, but I mean that's okay. Probably already said that. So I had one snack crate that didn't the sound, or like you couldn't hear my voice, and that annoyed the shit out of me. So now, before I completely eat everything, I want to make sure that it can actually hear my voice, so in case I have to redo it. I can't go live on YouTube, which I don't know why. I feel that's stupid, but whatever. Now we have a peppermint crisp. I bet it's a peppermint bar that's crispy. South African favorite. It smells like chocolate. Made by Nestle, so that's pretty cool. Ooh. Oh, wow, you can see the peppermint in it. There. This would be good around Christmas. The peppermint looks like glass. It's not bad. The peppermint is like a very, like, mute. I can taste it, but it's not like wow mint. Which is actually kind of what I was expecting. What? Okay, give you another butter biscuit. He's like, give me the damn biscuit. Here. Now we have these little things. Sally Williams nougat. Y'all, I am a nougat girl. Ooh. Creamy, velvety, soft honey nougat mixed with a variety of intense flavors. We've included either almond, macadamia, cranberry, or peanut butter varieties. All right, so this is this has to be macadamia. Oh yeah, it's macadamia. I never liked macadamia nuts, but since there's chocolate on it, that's okay. Oh my god. Okay. I've heard so much about the Star Bar. The Cadbury Star Bar. Cadbury milk chocolate with caramel and a crunchy biscuit. What does it say here? I've been wanting a freaking Star Bar ever since I saw the people on Snack Crate. Having chocolate log. Oh god. That Sally's thing was gross. I don't like macadamia nuts. The hype was real. Oops. Dog's a beggar. This is fine. If the elderly eats this, they better have like super glue and Polydent in. I'm kind of confused because there's something on here that I don't see. I really don't like this because I actually save them. And like the recipes and whatnot. I don't know why. This is not working for me. Change it back, Snack Crate, because this is stupid now. It really freaking is. All right, here. I'm gonna have to get a different box. So I got these as an ad in Cadbury Whispers. Milk chocolate with a malted honeycomb center. Moving on, we have, well, that was nasty. We have the Bar One Peanut for a 25-hour day. Oh my god. Perfect for a 25-hour day. Enjoy layers of malted nougat, peanuts, and caramel all wrapped in milk chocolate. A 25-hour day. Come on. I could not imagine that. You had enough crap, dog. Or else I'm going to be sitting there doing whatever I'm going to hear all over the floor. I fed him something a couple days ago. I just sat down with some food and he puked all over my lap. It was great. It's not, I don't know. It kind of tastes like a Snickers bar. It's not great, but it doesn't suck either, so that's gonna kind of go in the whatever if I'm really hungry pile. Okay, this actually makes me smile. Oops. Flings! Like my last relationship, no. Willard's Flings. These delicious corn puff snacks are light, airy, and packed with a savory flavor you won't be able to get enough of. A fling. That is just really funny. How I flung it over here. So if you go to Africa and I'll be like, oh, hey, yeah, you know, I want a fling. And they'll be like, okay, there's one in the store. It looks like a Cheeto. Like an albino Cheeto. These are good. And unlike Lay's, they actually fill the bag up. Kind of. Hi, baby, have a fling. He doesn't get Cheetos. I don't think he likes them. Oh, wait, he's eating it. I mean, it's not like Cheetos where you, like, eat the whole bag and it's like, oh, wow, I wish there was more. These are kind of more. You can taste the cheddar, but it's not, like, in your face. And your fingers aren't as dirty. Now we have, alright, a Tex bar. Since 1956, South Africans have loved this combination of milk chocolate-filled wafers with an aerated chocolate center. So this is like kind of like a crunch bar here. Yeah. Hard as a goddamn rock, though. Oh, maybe I've just really... Nothing's really, like, knocking my socks off. It's good, but it's not like... This is great. Oh. And then we have mini cheddars. This one is cheese flavored. This one is fruit chutney. Alright, I'm gonna have this one. It smells really funny. Fruit chutney, eh? This isn't... cheesy cheddar snack. Huh. It's not great, but it's not terrible either. Looks like they both taste the same. Oh, well. Oh, and that's it. So South Africa was good. It wasn't like overly Like, wow, this is fabulous. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I'm going to go through and finish all these morsels, and then I'll be probably back again in another 3 months to Snack Crate 13. Thank you.